With life's most adorable puppies, we have life's most adorable messes. That's why I am using the Bissell PowerSteamer steam cleaner for cleaning up after River here. So the main level needs to just have a good sanitization clean, and I'm going to do so tonight with this steam cleaner. Upper right hand corner, I did a full review on this like last year, and never before has it been more useful and needed. So I'm going to go ahead and put the phone down and start cleaning, and hopefully this does the job in keeping this house semi-fresh. Anyways, I like this thing because it's just all water, just nothing but steam, like really, really hot steam that does a pretty decent job keeping things clean. I mean, you look at the bottom of this mat, it's definitely not the same color that I started it with. So I feel like it's definitely working, and it's been useful for a lot of other things in the house. But now definitely with River running around and, you know, making the house messier, this is definitely gonna be useful. So again, upper right-hand corner, I think whatever corner it is in, that'll be the link for the review. Figured I'd put this here and let you know because this is super useful and we're gonna need it. So thanks for watching. Take care.